Hey everybody, welcome back to another how-to video for Truth Concept. So this one I'm going to be going over the life insurance values tool and how to copy and paste your information from your life insurance policies PDF over to the life insurance values tool. Okay, so first things first, make sure you download your life insurance illustration as a PDF from whatever provider you have. So once you get that PDF, then you're going to go and download Adobe Acrobat. It is free to download. There's a premium version. They'll make it seem like you need to use the premium, but you don't actually need to pay for that premium. So just stick with the free version. It can do what we need for this job. Okay. So I've already got my life insurance values tool up. You can find it under tools right here, life insurance values. And then I've got my client at age 30. We'll say the policy was issued at age 30 as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop over here to my policy PDF, right? So in the Adobe Acrobat, you guys are going to need to copy specific columns one at a time rather than highlighting the full page. So that way you can pull it over and align it with the right column on the life insurance values tool. So what you need to do is hold down the Alt key. You'll see that rectangle pop up on your cursor there. Go ahead and drag that down, copy the full column, and then you can right click, copy, and move it over. You also want to make sure you're at about 75% zoom on this instead of 100. That way you can see the full page, right? So we'll pop over back to our life insurance values tool. We're going to that beginning of year annual premium. You want to click on the first box. Go ahead and right click there. And you want to paste values. So once you paste values, you'll see that column populate all the way down, right? No big deal. So I'm going to have to keep doing that for the next couple of pages on that policy PDF. So I'm going to pause the video real quick, and then we'll pick it up after I've moved everything over, so that way you don't need to see me go back and forth. All right, I'm back. So I've got everything filled out for you now. You'll see that over here we've got some blank boxes. That's because there's zeros. So when you copy and paste everything over, if there's any zeros, they're going to show up as blank on the columns. But we've got everything over here copied and pasted. When the millions start getting up into 8 figures, you'll see that you get this 19.961 M, and then it doesn't really calculate. So you need to go in there, edit that real quick. We'll just do 961, sorry. 00, enter, and then we've got those percentages that we needed, right? So now everything is copied and pasted over. We're all good to go. Once this is saved, you guys can now import this into the calculators. But there are 5 that you can pull it into. You guys can pull this into the borrowing strategy, the funding illustration. You can also use distribution, diversification, and asset flow. So once this is saved, you guys can pull this illustration into those different calculators for whatever your needs might be. So if you've got any questions on that, please make sure you let us know. Otherwise, you guys enjoy copying and pasting.